Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, press and media. There were many moments. Daily shooting was, I can't explain in words. So we were at midst of the real tiger reserve. So the conservators used to come and say to me, "Sir, the time you should move before the tigers come inside." So not only like that, every every day without pain there is no gain. I must thank Rana sir the most because he is the voice of the elephant in this film. He has he has been the voice of the elephant because for the past 5 to 6 years I am traveling with the elephant research, and India is the second largest population in um, second largest population having the elephants. So for the past 5 years, the count is been reduced. So slowly, yearly average more than 700 to 1,000 elephants are dying due to many reasons, which is not which is not coming under the accounts and all. No, only some cases we can see it in social media. So the elephants are the main root cause for this jungle, which you see in India, and we don't know how they play a big part in that. We just see them as elephant and we move off. But a herd of elephant, more than 80 to 100 elephants, they walk around 50 to 70 kilometers daily, and by the dungs which they lay down, the seeds are prepared with the fertilizer, and it is transformed as a trees when the rain starts to pour there. It's a big cycle, and we don't know the seriousness of this nature and things. So now, because of that, the 2020 we have crossed that pandemic. We think there is no connection with this deforestation and this virus. The main reason is the deforestation, due to that, the global warming. So everything is connected with this cycle. So we should not disturb the cycle. And this film, Aranya, it is not, the way we have said is not a documentized or a documentary pattern. It is a commercial film which will take you wherever the graph of emotion and all kind of human emotions you can travel with this. It will be an experience when you see the film only. We can't say about the film because I have not said the story, I have shown a story. So you can enjoy it in the big screen. So we were waiting for the all theaters worldwide, it should open, and this epic kind of film, this Spectra movie must come in theaters. So we did not encourage for OTT or other platforms and all. And I must thank in this moment Eros International for having this much patience to bring this film to the theaters. And especially I must thank Vishnu Vishal, and who has even risked his life during a action sequence. We got stuck for another 3 months in between. So we'll come after that. Then suddenly I'll get a news from the Mahout, the elephant is in Mast. Then again I'll wait for 6 months. And so every nook and corner, we all had that patience. So that that moments we spend, we waited, everything now when we see in the big screen, I can enjoy it. And there is a big work going on with Razul Pukuti, who is the sound designer. And you can feel it after the mix that 2 hours you are going to go inside a jungle and you live a jungle life and come out of the theater. So we are trying to mix as a effect as a first layer, so you can enjoy the real jungle life. So there is more things to speak, but I'm expecting you to see in a big screen and give us a big tap so we can do this kind of movies more. And I must thank Zoya, Shriya, everyone who are not only the heroines, they were a part of this film and they all took the script on their shoulder and they all walked along with me. So once again, I want to thank all. Present media, please give your support and give us encouragement to do such kind of films again. Thank you so much.